Hello everyone, my name is Zharfa Rahmawati. You can call me Zharfa and my number name is 006. So right now I'll be review the article. The title of the article is Islamic Law and Gender Equality Challenge and Reform in Sri Lanka Muslim Marriage and Divorce Acts by Shamila Dawood, University of Colombo, Sri Lanka. The text article is 18. I choose this article due to its critical examination of the Muslim Marriage and Divorce Acts or MMDA of 1951 in Sri Lanka. Specific the article it focus on the interaction of cultural, legal, and religious factor makes it particularly relevant for understanding contemporary challenge and gender right within Muslim community. The article journal tests about the ongoing effort to reform the 1951 Muslim Marriage and Divorce Acts or MMDA in Sri Lanka. The Act has faced substantial criticism for its inability to adapt the evolving needs for modern society, often prioritizing men's inter over women's rights, such as allowing polygamy and not acquiring women's consent to marry. They also highlight the conscientious nature of MMDA reform, emphasizing how the bodies and space of Muslim women have become pivotal area of political conflict. Mahruf examines the formal and informal application of Islamic law in Sri Lanka, particularly concerning marriage and intermarriage. It offers additional insight into areas where difference persists, especially from the perspective of gender equality and justice. Finally, there was ensured awareness and mobilization among Muslim women to fight for their rights. The debate regarding MMDA reform in course, involving various stakeholders including civil society organizations. Some risks and activity are passed for fairer and more equal legal approach, taking into account Megazid al-Sharia. The reform of the Muslim Marriage and Divorce Acts or MMDA in Sri Lanka is important for ensuring women's rights and equality within the Muslim community. The MMDA concern focus on men's interests over women's rights is outdated and doesn't match modern values of justice and equality. Comprehensive reform is needed to address systematic problems and comply to with international human rights standards. Collaborative dialogue among stakeholders is vital to create a legal framework that respects cultural sensitive while protecting women's autonomy and rights in marriage and divorce. I think enough for the session. Thank you. Bye bye.